Hello. If you are new to the area, the Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you. While you're in town, be sure
We interrupt this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child!
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a dog. It's true. I saw the whole thing.
Happy birthday, Smokesy Poe.
Oh, googly bear!
The human child froze me with its telepathic control and made me dance like a chicken. My thoughts were not my own. Then it grabbed me.
Oh, boo, we gotta get you home.
There's a kid here! A human kid! A monster in disguise!
Look who was out and on my birthday! I thought you cared about me!
Celia, try to understand.
Come on, this way.
We are at the scene, number one. Decon unit, get in position. Spread out and lock it down. Something down here. I have our paperwork, number one. Situation is minor. We have a 2319.
I hate working nights! Yeah, nothing exciting ever happens!
Hurry up, Sully, hurry up. I've got those doors set up on the scale floor.
Are you done yet, boo?
Race you to the scare floor.
Almost there, kiddo. We'll never find her door now.
What, boo? There's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo. Not so fast, Sullivan. They'll never get her home now. It's been the most terrifying day of my life.
Mine, the lucky!
But I love you, kiddo.
Good night, boo.
Kitty!
Kitty's gotta go now. Sleep tight.
Emergency situation status 29990. We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child.
Hi, parents. We need that little one fully seated for motion continue. Once again, that child in the back row has to be seated. If not, these vehicles will not move. Please make sure they are fully seated on their butt under that lap bar, please.
In progress and reported to the scene where we immediately security evacuated.
Nice to see you.
Oh, goody! Another camera! Getting my errand done. Make sure you get my good side.